right now the shock absorber first. Well, this is easy. 22 foot-pounds on the upper bolt, 162 foot-pound on the lower bolt on this one right here. So yeah, make sure to do that. And then after that, I'm gonna keep recording. I will be putting the knuckle with the wheel bearing hub within the axle. You can do, whenever you're torquing it, you can do it like this. This is a 24th. The bolt is the 24th. I'm sure you know. You might know by this point because you already have taken it out. Right here. It's 162 foot-pounds. I packed this for two. I'm so stupid. So stupid. How am I gonna put this over here if the shock is over there? Did it now. Now I'm ready to put the shaft. I was putting some grease, and that's how I realized I did it the wrong way. But it just took me to a few minutes. I had to take this, lift it, and then put this over here. Now I'm ready to put this back together. Before anything, I just want to say something so you don't do the same mistake. When you are changing the rear wheel bearing hub or anything, that you will have to take out the knuckle. You will have to remove the two bolts, this one and this one, which is for the e-brake, right? So whenever you put it back together, this is something that you have to take note. This bolt is really long, and that's where you can see that I was trying to put it like this bolt is this long, probably longer, and there's no way that you can put it whenever the knuckle is bolt back to its place. I'm telling you that because I tied this to the specs, and the one on the bottom, this one, I tied both of them, and then I went ahead and put the what's the name of this thing? I put this one also. I bolted back, but when and then I was like, okay, I'm gonna put the e-brake back, and I couldn't put it back because there's not enough space here, so I couldn't, so I have to unbolt everything back, unbolt this one too, and lift it a little bit so I can put the bolt back to its place. Just want to say that because you can make the same mistake, and you know, you will lose time. So just want to say that so you don't have make the same mistake. there are steps that you have to follow before bolting everything back together. Alright, so right now everything it's back in its place. Wheel bearing hub, the shock absorber, swaybar link, the ball joints, and right now I'm just waiting for the calipers to dry out because I just paint them. This is from the other side. Just want to recap in something about the torque specifications. This right here, 22 foot-pounds. This one right here, 162 foot-pounds. This one right here, 37 foot-pounds. This one right here, 41 foot-pounds. The one on the bottom, it doesn't say, but I tied it well, and then I put the little thing that will secure the nut. And right now I'm ready to install everything back together, put the caliper and everything. I just need this thing to dry out, as I was saying. And then I'm gonna put the rotors and this right here, the nut, the axle nut, I'm gonna be torquing it to 140 foot-pounds because I was reading that GM, they were saying that the new specification was 140 foot-pounds when you put like a new knot. So I will show you how's whenever everything's done. Yeah guys, I hope that you are liking the video, and I'm gonna keep enjoying my car, and I hope that also this video helped you in, any way. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you guys. Have an awesome day.